I'll tell you, this Kailicha where we were shooting is the most dangerous slum area in Cape Town.
Okay.
It's like Dharavi of Cape Town.
Okay.
I had a ball. I love driving because अपनी गाड़ी थोड़ी मैं उड़ाऊंगा
ठोक
ऐसे.
रहा हूँ.
तो उनकी पजेरो मैंने जो भगाया है and जो I want to do it. I really want to prove myself. I've done workshops to unlearn what I learned on television. Yeah.
मुझे actually पूछना था, to have a longevity in a career like yours, you've been there around for so long. What exactly it is that it takes?
Television gave me everything. It gave me security. It gave me what I am today. I'm because of television. So it's the best thing that happened to me. But then I want to move ahead and do better stuff. And
That image, you break the image of.
after so many years, I think I had to restart. Restart to Thai. I remember OTT पे मुझे पता था.
Yeah.
This mountain I've climbed of my television career. There's a new mountain.
Yeah.
Restart to करना था ही, मगर I didn't realize I had to shift and change so much.
Right. You know, we were talking about hero वाला thing. मेरे दिमाग में क्या आता है? I hate love stories का the entry shot. It's one of the best entry shots one can have.
Yeah.
You remember that the actors reading के लिए आ रहे हैं. I hate love stories. That was really nice.
सोचो मुझे फिल्मों में भी काम मिलता था तो हीरो का मिलता था. God.
Okay, how is shoot at Lutere? I got to know that, you know, you did your own stunts.
I've done enough work in my life. This, by far, I think is the most difficult show and shoot I've been a part of.
Okay.
We've shot in real locations. We've done some crazy work. The crew was there. Not for me, I'm saying for all the other actors, for the technicians, for the direction team, for the producers, for the platform, for everybody. It's the most difficult show. And when you see the show, you'll know what I'm saying. I'll tell you, this Kailicha where we were shooting is the most dangerous slum area in Cape Town.
Okay.
It's like Dharavi of Cape Town.
Okay.
Huge. I don't know how many hundred kilometers you can Google and stuff. So वहाँ पर it's black dominated.
Okay.
So when we entered there, 20 I remember 15-20 पुलिस की गाड़ियाँ थी, vans थे and stuff, full protection के साथ. मैं डरा हुआ था. So मेरे साथ my stunt duplicate who was driving the car and उसके 3-4 मीटर के रोड थे, uneven, and we had to drive it really fast, like 70-80 की स्पीड में. And it was so वो stunt वाला था and दूसरे दिन आया नहीं. So my action director, he's done Mad Max as well.
Okay.
And Jay, they came up to me, Jay Mehta, who directed the show.
Right.
Ki, you do your stunts and stuff because you doing it better. I'm like, but it's too risky and that guy was really good.
Yeah.
No, you doing it better. And कभी you know कैमरा में आ जाओगे हो जाएगा. तो मैंने ठीक है गाड़ी चलाना मुझे ठीक ठाक आता है. मैंने इतना रफ चलाया मैंने. वो बचपन में डैशिंग कार्स खेलते हैं ना. I did that.
In real life.
In real life. I had a ball. I love driving because अपनी गाड़ी थोड़ी मैं उड़ाऊंगा ऐसे. तो उनकी पजेरो मैंने जो भगाया है and 4 दिन किया मैंने. 5 दिन था, 4 दिन किया. The last day they told me कि okay, now we want to tell you the truth that your double didn't enter in because he was a white guy. He got scared coming in, so that's why we made you do it. So मुझे डोमिनो बनाया.
I know. Got it.
Yeah, so but I had fun and it was crazy. When you see, I don't know camera में कितना दिखेगा. I'm also waiting to see the 8th episode. But it was a crazy 4-5 दिन का car sequence. Yeah.
But I mean, coming back to, you know, do you still audition? Like, do you audition? Do you have to audition?
Yeah, see, it's a job.
You're okay for that?
See, पहले से मेरा क्या रहा है ना, even when I was doing television, I've done very limited work with. मैंने 8 shows किए 4-5 makers के साथ ही. I want to work with those makers. मेरे to do list में रहते थे. And here also I've come to now I've come to do work that I want to do, like with all my heart. So I'll only go and meet people and be with people whom I want to be with. अगर मुझे लगेगा मुझे रोल नहीं करना तो मैं ना उनका टाइम वेस्ट करूँगा ना अपना करूँगा. So and if I want to work with somebody, and it's a process. If I have seen the director's work and मैं उसका fan हो गया हूँ and I want to work with him, so उसको भी तो मुझे देखना है कैरेक्टर में. तो जब मैं ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है, मैंने उसका काम देखा है 2-4, मैं बड़ा फैन, मैं हंसल सर का बड़ा फैन हूँ, एंड देन उनको मेरे को ये सीन में देखना है और मैं बोलूँ नहीं यार यू नो मीना वही वांट टेस्ट मी. मैंने तो उनका फिल्म की है ये कि still I went and tested for Lutere because they want to see me in that character, in that outfit, in that clothes, whatever the way I'm talking, I'll go and do it.
Wow. And you don't mind texting someone that, you know, I want to work with you, or
No,
you mind doing that, right?
I'm shy in that.
Okay.
I'm a little shy in that, but but if I want to, I will.
You will.
I won't be at it. लाइक ऐसा नहीं कि मैं हर हफ्ते हर महीने हर
परेशान
हाँ
कर दो
मैं
कुछ
एक
कुछ।
बार उनके साथ काम करना तो मैं कर लूँगा, रियली वांट टू वर्क विद यू। मेरे अच्छे दोस्त लोग हैं, उनको मैंने आज तक नहीं किया है।
Really?
I feel a little awkward. I feel they know me, so they know me, so they'll call me.
But I don't know, does it because like you said, meetings hote hain, but they don't end up necessarily into something. So
Yeah.
maybe I think you should do it.
I don't know. I'm okay. I'm chill like that. I think that's my process that I want to do something, but I'm not. It's not my life and death. I want to do it. I really want to prove myself, but I'm chilled also. I think that's what makes me sane.
Wow.
I think that's what also keeps me going and keeps my level up. Like as I said, I'm sportsman by nature.
Yeah, yeah.
So मैं सामने वाले को हारने नहीं बोलूँगा. मैं अपना खेलूँगा.
खुद जीतने की कोशिश
खुद जीतने की कोशिश करूँगा.
Wow, wow. What's next?
I've done a show called Doctors for Siddharth Malhotra.
Okay.
Completely opposite from what I'm doing over here. Ghulam Waris is very shana, cocky. If you see the show, he's being punished. He's a rogue agent who's punished in Kenya.
Okay.
And his boss tells him कि वापस जाना है तुझे तो ये solve करके दे. And then how he goes in Somalia, how he, like there's a scene in the previous episode where the gun is pointed at him. There's a gun at him and what will you react? You'll point your gun or you'll fight or whatever.
Yeah.
वो बातचीत में खेल जाता है and you'll realize he's made the scene where he's more comfortable than the guy who's pointing the gun at him. So he's very smart, he's very shana, he's very बात करने में बड़ा तेज है. And Doctors में it's completely opposite. When you see the promo show, then you'll understand. So that's what I've come for, to do different stuff and enjoy myself.
I can easily say it's Ame 2.0 going on.
I guess so. Yeah.
You feel that there's a change as a person also in you after maybe you reinvented
2.3 point. I don't know, Magar. Yeah, there's a change in me. I've worked towards myself. I've done workshops to unlearn what I'd learned on television. Yeah, because अटक जाता है ना television में. You keep doing the characters and then you get stuck to something.
Get it? Yeah.
You have done things to unlearn. So yeah, I'm working on myself.